What did it look like before?
Well, the water had all had paper, you know, it was all like coming off. You know how water does with paper, it just scoops. Here, they fixed that. Oh, she goodness. Nothing in here bothers me. What are you getting? No. Everybody that comes from out of town come here. Now this is the welcome house. These are my great-great-grandchildren. The 5th generation. And their mother is the 4th generation. And my father is the 3rd generation. And my daughter is the 2nd generation, and I'm the 1st.
Oh my goodness.
You don't find houses with 5 generations.
No,
You don't even find them with
families.
2. They don't want to live together.
What is it that you want? What do you want for your great?
I want them, all I want them to be is human beings, and I want them to treat everybody like I treat them. And I treat everybody like I want them to treat me. And therefore, I have no problems.